Okay, climbing up to 4,000 feet, and when we get up there, we'll try some spins. Now our first spin will be to the left, and we'll try to recover as quickly as we can, so it might end up being about a half spin. We've checked traffic above us, checked traffic below, made our radio calls, we have our checklist, and to initiate the spin, we will do a climbing left turn and intentionally lose airspeed. Now, a Cessna 150 does a pretty good job spinning, and it tends to recover on its own, but the procedure will be that the plane, the inside wing, moves through the air slower, so it'll stall first. So the left wing should stall first, and the flying wing on the outside will fly around it like a spinning maple key. So we're climbing up, going slower, slower, ready to stall, and we will recover with opposite rudder. Neutralize the controls, power off, opposite rudder, and pull out, get our airspeed up to a safe level, and power on. Pretty simple. So that's a half spin. The trick is, don't let the airspeed recover up too high. You don't want to overstress the plane. Alright, we're going to do a full spin intentionally. We're going to try and get a few turns out of it. So we're not going to recover too quickly. We're going to do it to the right. So we're going to do a climbing turn and reduce airspeed. Recovery will be opposite rudder, neutral controls, and once we level out the wings and get a bit of airspeed, power on and recover. We've checked traffic above and below us, and we've done our radio calls. Everything looks good, so we'll climb up to 4,000 feet. So once again, we'll do a climbing right turn. We will intentionally lose airspeed. The inside wing will stall first because it's moving slower. The outside wing will fly around it like a maple key, creating a spin. Recovery, neutral controls, neutral yoke, opposite rudder, and once we get airspeed with the wings level, power on or recover. Now I may have to hold the spin using rudder in the direction of the spin, but we'll see. Here we go. And we're into a full spin. Neutral controls, power off, and we're doing several turns. Now opposite rudder, hold it, opposite rudder, it'll eventually stop spinning. Airspeed goes up, power on, level flight, and we're right at cruise airspeed. We're at 2,600 feet, so we've intentionally lost from 4,000 feet down to 2,600 because we weren't really trying to recover too quickly.